Good day to Dr. Hamu Zamir and everyone. Today we'll be presenting our literature review for our app UUM Penalty Ease. We are from Group K and our members are Nor Azmaneeza, Fatin Nor Filza, Qurratu Ain, Alisha Abhisri and me, Moses Roy.
Good morning and hi everyone. In this presentation, I will walk you through the methodology we have chosen for our project, which is the waterfall methodology. This structured approach ensures that each phase is completed before moving to the next, minimizing errors and maintaining clarity throughout the process. The first step is requirement analysis. Here, we define all the functional and non-functional requirements for the system. For example, our app must track penalties, integrate with e-wallets and online banking, and offer a user-friendly interface. It is crucial to ensure these requirements are fixed and documented early on to prevent uncertainties later in the project. Next is the design phase. In this step, we develop a comprehensive plan for the app, including the architecture, database schema, and user interface layouts. An example feature could be a dashboard that displays penalty details and payment options for users. This phase set the foundation for the app's overall functionality and appearance. Next, we move to the implementation phase. This involves coding the app according to the design specification. One critical task here is integrating payment gateways like e-wallets to ensure seamless transaction. We also focus on creating a responsive user interface, making it easy for students to track and pay their penalties.
Now let's continue with final three phases of waterfall methodology, which ensure that the app functional, properly deployed, and continuously improved. The fourth phase is testing. Here we rigorously validate that the app meets all defined requirements. This involves identifying and resolving bugs, especially in critical features like payment transactions and penalty tracking. This phase is crucial for ensuring that the app is both reliable and user-friendly before it launches. The next step is deployment. Once testing is complete, we launch the app, ensuring it works seamlessly across major mobile platforms like iOS and Android. Additionally, clear guidelines will be provided to users, such as students, on how to download and use the app effectively. The final phase is maintenance. After the app is launched, we monitor its performance and update it as needed. This could involve integrating additional payment methods, fixing any issue reported by users, or optimizing the app based on feedback to improve overall functionality and user experience. In conclusion, these phases are essentials to ensuring the apps not only work as intended but continues to evolve to meet users' needs. With this, the waterfall methodology provides a clear roadmap to delivering a high-quality product. Thank you.
Next, I'd like to present about the literature review based on the design. First, we will focus on user-centered design, ensuring an intuitive interface that makes navigating penalty-related tasks like payment and tracking effortless. Next, functionality and reliability are very crucial. Based on existing UUM app feedback, we know system failures are a common frustration. Our app will prioritize consistent performance across all devices such as iOS and Android platforms. Efficiency is key. By analyzing usability data, we will streamline processes, reducing task times, and increasing completion rate. For instance, an optimized login experience could save valuable seconds. We will also integrate real-time user feedback, refining features based on what works and addressing pain points quickly. And finally, usability metrics, such as task success rates and error monitoring, will guide our development process. Our goal? Match or exceed the 78 to 82% task completion rate seen in existing apps.
Okay, now I will talk about the literature review on the development techniques for UUM Penalty Ease. The first one is mobile first design. This approach prioritizes designing for mobile devices first and then adapting for larger screen. It to ensure an optimized user experience for mobile user, which is essential as UUM Penalty Ease is primarily targeted at students on the go. The second is security-focused development. The app integrates robust measures from the start, including data encryption, secure authentication, and safe payment system. Now, we're moving on to the development tools for the UUM Penalty Ease. We're planning to use these two design tools, which is the Figma that will support collaborative prototyping and real-time feedback. Meanwhile, Adobe InDesign allows interactive prototyping and testing to ensure the app is functional and user-friendly. And also, the UI design focus on minimalistic design that simplifying the interface to show only essential information and to ensure clear navigation paths so user can easily access penalties and payments, and follows accessibility compliance to make the app usable for everyone. The second is the back-end framework. We have selected this framework that is highly scalable and ensure the real-time updates for penalty records and notifications.
For testing and evaluation, we chose usability testing. The objective is to ensure the app is user-friendly and easy to use for all UUM students. The reason for the selection is to identify usability issues and improve it for better user satisfaction. The methodology is carry out task-based testing where students use features of the app such as penalty tracking or payment or others, and we will collect feedback on where improvements can be made. For example, making the submit button bigger for the payment section. Our expected outcome is to identify design flaws and receive recommendation for improving user flow. Secondly, we will also conduct performance testing. The objective is to ensure the app works well under any unexpected circumstances, for example, heavy traffic. Our methodology is we will carry out load testing. We will gather a group of UUM students ranging from 50 to 70 people and simulate the app by logging in, tracking penalties, and making payments simultaneously. We will assess the system behavior during this peak usage. If the app faces difficulties in loading, we will conduct database queries and server configurations. Our goal is to create a stable app even at heavy usage. Finally, beta testing will be taken place. Our objective is to gather feedback from a small group of UUM students before launching the app for minor bug fixes. Our reason for selecting this test is to help identify bugs or usability issues that might not occur in control testing, that is during the usability testing. Our methodology is we will select 50 UUM students to use the app for about 1 week. We will monitor the usage of app features, receive feedback through surveys, and carry out minor improvements. Our expected outcome is to create a clean and easy to use app that meets every student's expectation and satisfies them.